Good morning. Today is the 8th of March 2025, and today I've been working on this effect. So you grab a piece, and once you are dragging it into the part of the screen where those pieces are gonna be making one picture, the rest of them are collapsing. I mean, filling the gap here after this element has been removed from this list. So, excuse me. I'm pretty happy with the progress, because the only thing that is left for me to do is being able to grab this and put it back in between. But that's something I'm gonna be working on in the near future. But let me show you how it all works. So if you grab one, the second this goes into this area, all the other one collapses or collapse. So there's this soft end. You can grab any element and everything is nicely cooperating. Alright, let me show you what the code looks like. So I'm gonna close this view and just go with you through this feature. So what I've done at the beginning, I've created a few variables. Where are they? Variables. Yes, so I've created this variable, this array, and this one. So once the piece is picked up, it is being this method is being used. So it selects this piece node by its name, and then it looks here for its position in the array, in the scroll bar array. This is needed for the reason of I need to find out from which element once the gap is being made by pulling one of the pieces out of the array. I need to know from which element we need to move them left to fill the gap. I hope this is clear. So anyway, this is what it does. I mean, it looks for the position of this selected piece, and it saves it in this variable which I showed you at the beginning of this code. Then once this piece is selected, when you drag it, and the second if it leaves the border which borders in between the scroll bar area and the screen where you're gonna be assembling the whole picture, it removes it. The program removes it from the array, right? And then this is only used once per pressed pointer, which is a mouse or finger on the screen. So what this does, it copies the current position of the elements in the array, and it stores it in a separate array, which is this array. Literally, as you can see, I copied into this array the current scrollbar array, and then in the next loop I go through all of the pieces from the one that has been removed up till the end of the array, and then I remove the pitch from every single one. So by doing so, I've got two arrays. One is the current array, which is the current position of the pieces, and the other one is this one, which is a target. And then here, as I said, once you have removed, where is it? Once you have removed the piece above the border, this variable becomes true, and this variable is here, and once it's true, this little loop moves all the pieces into the new places. So the current place of the piece is being slowly slide to the left based on its position and the target position at this and with these values. So I hope that this is pretty clear what I've just described. I must say that it was a real it was my brain was literally like steaming when I was trying to figure out how to do. Well, I've done it, so I'm proud from the progress, and I must say that I was really procrastinate on coming back to this to today's programming, because for unknown reason I was afraid that I'm gonna fail. But I must say that the I don't know, I'm glad that I've done it, that I sat down in front of the computer and took my time and, you know, tried to understand the whole problem. And of course what helps is that I print every now and then some information for me on the screen, and like here down the bottom, and I can more or less analyze what the program is doing. So for example, some strange things were happening, but I didn't realize that I didn't have this line, which every time you press put the finger on the screen or use the pointer on the mouse and click it, this array was growing and growing, and then I realized that I have to clear this array, so it's like a blank array into which I can copy the current position of the items in the scroll bar array. Right, I hope this is all clear and nice. Let me know what you think about the progress on the game. If you have any suggestions, I haven't done it before, but if you find this content, I don't know, valuable, I would encourage you to subscribe, and I'm looking for comments. They are really important to me, because they encourage me to carry on with the work. And yes, they say subscribe, thumbs up if you can. Let other friends of yours know that I'm working on this project, and maybe they and you would like to have a look at the code, and I hope you're gonna find it beneficial to you. Alright, thank you for your time. See you soon. Ta-da.